morning, students. Welcome to online. Good morning, beta. Welcome to online class. I hope you all are enjoy online classes. Today we are going to learn math subject. So let's learn math with the fun. Okay, students. Now I will show you some objects to you. You just observe that object and you know the answers, then you give it. Okay, if you know the answers, try to give them. Okay, in a math subject we learn one digit number. One digit number means only one number is that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. These are the one digit numbers. Okay, after that you learn tens also, means 10 number. Okay, now I will show you something. In my hand there are some pens. Okay, when I am counting this pen, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so these are the pens is the unit. Okay, when I am counting single 1 2 3. Okay, I am counting in separately, so it is called unit. Okay, but when I gathered all the pens, see, and make the bundle. When I make the bundle of all the pens, that is called 10. 110. Okay, when 10 objects are in a bundle, that is called 110. Okay, children, when we counting separately, it is called units. It is called units because we are counting that pen separately. Means it is a unit. Okay, unit place. But when we gather 10 objects, keep in your mind, when we gather 10 objects and make that objects bundle. When we make the bundle, it is called, it's a 110. Okay, students? So related that, today we will learn new topic. Okay, that is introductions of two-digit number. Which are they? They are 11 to 20. Okay, children? Okay, students, see, in the online class, now we learn the introductions and writing of 1 to 20 numbers. So what we learn? See, you already learned this, that is tens and units. What are the units? See, in this picture, you can see there is one is the small digit number, one digit number. One is the smallest one digit number, okay? And 9 is the bigger one digit number. Understood? 1 is the smallest one digit number and 9 is the bigger one digit number. Okay, students? Keep in mind, after that 9, which number is come? 10. Okay? After 9, which number is come? 10. Okay? See. So 10 is a two-digit number. 10 is a two-digit number. How to write 10? See. How to write? On the 10 place, write down 1. And on the unit place, write down 0. So write down this number like that, 1, 0, 10. Okay. Now I will show you some pictures. What is this? What is this in a first picture? Can you tell me? Flowers. Okay, roses. Okay, roses are there. Yes. Now count these flowers. How many flowers are there? See. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Means these are the 10 flowers, means 10 units. 10 units. Okay, children. See, these are the separate. All the flowers are separate. So these are the 10 units. Okay, because they are separate. they are unique. Okay, but teacher when you tie that flower, then it becomes a tens. When you made the bundle of 10 flowers, it becomes a 110. Okay. See the next pictures. How many balloons are there? Count them. Yes. How many? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 10 balloons, means 10 units. Okay, students, 10 units means they are separate. So we are writing them 10 units. But when we make the bundle, it becomes a 1/10. See in the next picture. See, there are also 10 balloons. Here is the 10 balloons. But when we made the bundle of 10 balloons, when we use the thread and tie the balloons in a string, then it becomes a 110. What is this? 110. Okay. 110 means 10 units. 10 units is called 110. See, 110 means we have to tie all the balloons in a thread. Okay. And there is no remaining balloon. Means there is no 11, 12, no remaining balloons. So we can write 0 units. 0 means, last time I told you, 0 means nothing. So there is 110 and 0 units. In this way, we can write in number form. Okay, children, clear these things in your mind. When we count the balloons separately, that is 10 units. But when we tie the balloons, make the bundle of the balloons, that is called 110. Keep this thing in your mind, okay? See, next example, what is this? Can you tell me what is this? What is this?
Matchstick.
Yes, these are the matchsticks. And there are 10 matchsticks, means 10 units. I already told you there are 10 matchsticks, that is 10 units. But when I made the bundle, then it's called 110. Okay, so 10 units means 110. Understood? While counting separately, that is 10 units. But while making the bundle, it is called 110. Let's see more example. Okay, now see one poem is there. Do you like poem? Yes, children? Yes. Okay, listen carefully, everyone. 11, 12, arrange books on slate. 13, 14, put garbage in the dustbin. 15, 16, keep your room clean. 17, 18, see plants are green. 19, 20, flowers are in plenty. See the children, poem, very nice poem is there. 11, 12, arrange books in slate. 13, 14, put garbage in the dustbin. See, there is a dustbin. Okay, 15, 16, keep your room clean. See how the girls always keep their room clean. Yes, 17, 18, see, plants are green. See, this plant is green. 19, 20, flowers are in plenty. Okay, so students, this is a very nice poem.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so we learn 11, 12, 13, 14. These are the songs. Now we are introduced the number 11 to 20. And what activities today we are going to do? Introductions and writing of 11 to 20 numbers. See, in this picture, there is one uncle and two are kids. Okay. What are they doing? They counting something. Okay. They counting something. See, this boy is counting beads and the girls counting matchsticks. Okay. When the boy says and count the beads, how many beads are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 11. Okay. How many beads are there? 11. The
11.
boy is counting beads 11. And the girl said, here is the one bundle. See, here is the one bundle means what? 110. One bundle means 110. That is 10 objects. Yes, that is called 110. And one plastic is separate, means one unit. So the girls give the answer 110 and 1 unit, and the boy answer give 11. So both of you right. The uncle said both the children's answer is right. These beads are also 11 and the matchsticks also 11. Okay. See. Let's see one more example. 10 and 1 make 11. What is this? These are the matchsticks. These are the matchsticks. And I told you when you made the bundle, you can count 110. You can count them 110 plus 1. See, there is a bundle of matchsticks. How many matchsticks are there? There are 10 matchsticks. There are 10 matchsticks means, and all the matchsticks in a bundle, it is called 110. 110. Yes, plus, you know the addition sign, this is a plus sign, and this is a single matchstick, so write down here only 1. Okay, so 110 means what? 110 means 10 objects plus 1 is equal to, see, here also bundle of objects means 110 and 1 means 10 plus 1, how much? 10 plus 1, how much? 11. Okay, 10 plus 1, 11. So 10 and 1 make 11. Understood, children? 10 and 1 make 11. See, there is some block. When the bundle is given in a block, see, that is called 110. In this picture, see, there is a block that is called 110 because they are in a group. They are in a single group, in a bundle. And this is the only single one block is there, that is called C. 10 and unit. You know that, and the 10 is right down in the left side. How to spell the word 11?
10 and 1.
Yes.
110 and 1
E.
unit. 1 and 10.
ELEVEN. Write down 11 lines. Okay. Okay. Let's see next. What is this? These are the beads. These are the beads. Let's count the beads. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many beads are there? 11. Okay. But these beads are single, separate means 11 objects are there. Then what are you doing? You have to make the group. Okay. You have to make the
To make a one and 10 is equal to 11.
See, I make this, so that is for 10. And how many ones? See, this one. Here and 10 objects in a string, that is called 110, and 1 is remaining, that is 1. Means 110 plus 1 is equal to 11. Okay?
Yes.
Keep in mind that
1. One unit, it make a 11.
So 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. See, this is the bundle of 10 objects, that is called 110. And these are the two matchsticks. So 110 plus 2 is equal to 12. Understood? Let's see next example. Make the block of 110 here. Block of 110 and add the two units. Add the two separate box, that is called 110 plus 2 is equal to 12. And how to write 12? Write down 2 in a unit place and write down 1 in a 10 place. Okay? And what is the spelling of 12? How to spell the word 12? T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. Okay, children? So, write down number form like that way, 12, 1 to 12, and spell the word T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. See, let's see. These are the beads and make the necklace of 10 objects in a single group. Okay, one group, there are 10 objects. That is called 110. 110 plus, and these are the two beads. Means write down 2. Then what is the answer? 110 plus 2 is equal to 12. Understood, everyone? Yes. Let's see next number. After 12, which number is come?
13.
13. Very good. See the matchstick. In house also there is matchstick. You can try this. Make the bundle of 10 objects. That is called 110. There is 2 matchsticks and there is 1. So 110 plus 2, 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. Yes. See, the matchstick bundle is there, 10 and plus 3. So 10 plus 3 is equal to 13.
Equal to 13.
Yes, see, these are the blocks 110 and add in that 3 units. Yes, add in that 3 units, that is called 13. And how to read that word 13? T-H-I-R-T-E-N, 13 in words. And how to write? See, unit on 3 place. On the unit place, write down 3, and on the 10 place, write down 1. So 1, 3, 13. Okay, you remember the spelling of 13.
T-H-I-R-T-E-N. 13. 13.
Let's see. These are the beads and make the string of 10 objects in a one group. Yes, and that is called 110 and add in that 3 beads. So answer is 13. Yes, children?
Yes.
Do you understand what is tens and what is units?
Yes.
Yes, let's see. 13 and 1 make 14. When you add one number in a 13, we will get the answer 14. See, this is a bundle of 110 and these are the 3 sticks. So 110 plus 3, 13 and plus 1 mastic, that is called 14. So what will be the answer? 10 plus 4, that is called 14. Yes, 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. See, here is the block of 110 in a one group and 4 blocks are separate. See here. So it makes 14. And how to write? On the unit place, write down 4. And on the 10 place, write down 1. How to spell the word 14? F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. Okay, children? Let's see next example. There is beads and this is the necklace of 110. And these are the single objects, single beads. How many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 110 plus 4 is equal to 110 means 10 objects. So 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. Understood? Yes. Let's see next example. 14 and 1 make 15. 14 and 1 make 15. So this is the bundle of 110. Everyone knows that. And these are the 1, 2, 3, 4 means 14 plus means addition. You have to add one number, one mastic, that is called 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. Yes, children? Yes. Now see the blocks. These are in a one group, that is called 110. And add the 5 units. 5 units means 5 separate blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so 10 plus 5 is equal to number 15. And how to write 15 number? On the unit place, you have to write 5. And on the 10 place, you have to write 1. How to spell the word 15? F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. 15. Very good. Students, tell me which numbers come after 15. Yes?
16.
Which number comes? 16. Very good. Okay, let's see. This is the necklace of 110. Yes, and these are the 5 beads. Okay, 3, 4, 5 beads. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Okay. So after the 15, number is 16. There is a one bundle of mastic that is called 110. And how many sticks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
Okay. 5 means 15 plus 1. That is called 16. See here. There is a one bundle of mastic that is called 110. And these are the 6 sticks. That is called 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So answer is 16. See the blocks. There is 110 in a group of blocks that is called 110 and 6 units. because they are separate blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And how to write the 16 number in unit place and 10 place? On the unit place, on the right side, write down 6. And in the left place, write down 1.
Equal to
So,
16.
yes, so 1, 6, 16. What is the spelling of 16? S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. Yes, very good. See the beads. In that beads, there is a necklace. Okay. And bundle of the beads, that is called 110. And how many beads are there in separately? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means 110 plus 6 is equal to 16. Understood, children?
Yes.
Now tell me which number is come after 16?
17.
Yes, 16 and 1 makes 17. When we add in the 16, add 1, that is called, after that we will get the answer 17. Okay, see, there is a 1 bundle, there are 6 matchsticks and plus. Plus means add 1 matchstick, then we will get the answer 17. 110 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 17 matchsticks are there. Now we will see how to write 17 numbers. What is the spelling of 17? See the blocks. There is 110 because 10 blocks in a one group and 7 units are there.
S-T-E-E-N.
Yes, very good. S-T-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. That is 17. And how to write 17? On the unit place, write down 7. And on the 10 place, write down 1. Okay, children?
Okay.
Yes. See, the beads are there. And one necklace is made here. That is called 110. Yes. And add in that, how many beads are there? Separately, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units. It is called 7 units. So 110 plus 7 units, that is called 17. Clear? Yes. Let's see. Now tell me which number is come after 17. You know the counting?
18.
Yes. See, 17 and 1 make 18. There is a 110 bundle, 17 sticks, and add in that one more stick, that is called 18. Okay, when you count that stick, see 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units means 1, 8, 18. Let's see, there is a 110 because 10 blocks in a one group. These are the 10 blocks in a one group, in a one bundle. That is called 110. And 8 units. How many units? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 units. How to spell the word 18? E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. And how to write 18? On the unit place, write down 8. And on the 10 place, write down 1. Understood? Now let's see. There is beads and make the bundle of beads 10 objects, that is 110. And how many units are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units. That is 110 and 8 units. So we will get the answer. 110 plus 8 is equal to 18. Now see which number is come after 18. That is 19. See, so 18 and 1 make 19. So there is a bundle of 110, 8 mastic, and add in that 1 mastic. So we will get the answer 90. Okay, students?
Yes.
Let's see one more example. There is block of group that is called 110. And there are 9 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 units, means 9 separate blocks. And how to spell the word 19? N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. Okay, and how to write the number 19? On the unit place, write down 9, and on the 10 place, write down 1. Now see the beads. There are 19 beads. Okay, but when we make the group of 110, okay, this is the 110, and how many beads are separately in units? These are the 19 units. Sorry, 9 units. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 units means 110 plus 9 is equal to 19. 110 plus 9 unit is equal to 19. After that 19, which number is come? See, 19 and 1 make 20. Very good.
20.
Students, observe carefully how to write 20. There is 110. Yes, there is 110. There is 9 6 and there is 1. So these are the 110 and this also make a group of 110. So 110 plus 110 is equal to 20. Let's see. See, in that there is a 2 necklace of beads. These are the 2 necklace of beads. That is called 2 tens. That is called 2 tens. See, 110 plus 110. Okay. So that is called 2 tens. And see, why writing here unit 0? Because there is no remaining beads. So here writing 0. Because 0 means nothing. Understood? See, these blocks also, this is a 110 and this is a 110. So 110 plus 110 is equal to 2 tens and 0 units. So we will write 20 number like that. 2, 0, 20. Understood?
Yes.
See.
Yes.
Here also see, there is a necklace of beads. And here also we can make the 110. See, this is the 110 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 means it is called also 110. When 10 objects we take together, we tie them, that is called 110. So 110 plus 110 is equal to 20. Yes, see. In this picture, there is mastic. In the first bundle, there is 10 mastic. That is 110 plus. This is a plus sign and this also 110. So 110 plus 110 is equal to 2 tens. 2 tens means 20. Remember that thing. 2 tens means, what is this 2 tens means? 20. 20 number. Okay. So students, today we learned 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 numbers. Okay. I hope you all understand numbers from 11 to 20. You have to read the spelling. Remember that spelling from 11 to 20. Okay. And write down this number in your notebook, in your textbook also. Understood? See how to write proper way these numbers. Okay. Now let's see homework. So today's homework is that solve your textbook page number 40 to 45 in your notebook and also in your textbook. Okay. Thank you, students. I hope you all understand the lesson. You enjoy the lessons very nicely. Okay. Thank you. Stay safe at home.